All right, so this is our first draft printed here. First thing we need to see is if we can get to the back left corner. And the other thing we need to check is how our height is. So, also right now we're just barely off the table, so I need notably more clearance than I have right now. Let's see. So that's my front right corner. So you can see that the pen is quite a bit behind the post. And we're kind of close to lined up on the x-axis. And we need notably more room in the z-axis, because I need to be able to pick the pen up a notable distance. So this needs to be like a good centimeter higher there. All right, and then let's see if we can find where this thing actually is. So if we put that on one we can get to, then I should be able to creep this in here. Oh. All right, that seems to be about the perfect position there. So I will jot some numbers down of where we're at and refactor things so that the post does reach to my back left corner. Or, maybe I'll give up a little more room and overshoot it quite a bit so I can just do it in software. Yeah, if I overshoot it like that, I could potentially move this back, not have the overhang. I'm giving up another couple inches of travel, but I mean, compared to the whole machine, kind of, who cares? Let's see. And then, like I said, I need to raise this up. I need to work on printability as well. I broke this pretty quickly the first time I used it. I don't know if you can see there's a bunch of super glue right up in there. But I might try reprinting it with this face on the bottom so that I have strength in that direction, but then I'm going to have a weak spot up here from the twisting force. I might try see if I can print it on the e-packs. This would have to be the base on the e-packs, but at least I won't have as much kind of layering kind of problems. Yeah, we'll play around with a few things. So yeah, I think that'll do for the moment, and we'll see you in the next one when we get something sorted out.